Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and overview of this Logitech M720 Triathlon multi-device mouse. It's very functional. You can use it with up to 3 devices. And if you are interested in this or looking for more information, I will have a link below in the description. But let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so this is the Logitech M720 multi-device mouse. It says it has a 1-year limited hardware warranty, a 24-month battery life, 8 customizable buttons, a hyper-fast scroll wheel, 3 easy switch channels, and it is compatible with Windows, Mac, Chrome, Linux, and iPads. And it comes with a unifying dongle that you can put into your computer, or you can connect it via Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and open this up. Some instructions right there. So in the box, you'll find the important safety, compliance, and warranty information document. And here's the mouse itself. So there it is there, the Logitech M720, a nice large mouse. It feels really nice in my hand. Some of the smaller mice hurt my hand when I use them, so it's nice and big. It's got several different buttons here. Now, that one's kind of a black color there. That's the one I just bought. I do have an older M720. This one's about 2 years old. And you can see that one's a little bit more gray in color. Hard to see there. And it's actually white on the bottom versus black. So it is slightly different, but that is an M720 as well. Now, I've really enjoyed this mouse. It's very comfortable in my hand. That rubberized coating feels really nice. And lots of customizable buttons on here. So you've got your main 2 buttons. You've got your scroll wheel here. And if you push this button here, it becomes free scrolling. So I push that. And it just spins and spins and spins. So you can push that and then you've got the slow scrolling there. So it's really nice if you really need to scroll through a web page fast, you can just free scroll through there. Again, this scroll wheel, you can push left and right on it or down. On the side here, you've got 2 more customizable buttons right there, as well as this one here. When you push that, it'll go through the different computers you have it connected to. So 1, 2, or 3. On the bottom here, you've got your power button, but there's also a secret button right here at the bottom, right there. So we can customize that, and I'll show you the app in just a moment that you can use with this. So again, the on-off switch there, and pull that out there. There's a battery in there. Looks like a GP alkaline battery. Let's pull that out. And our unifying dongle should be in here as well. So little unifying dongle in there. So again, you can connect this to your computer via Bluetooth or with this unifying dongle. So I'll go ahead and plug this into the USB port on my computer, and I'll show you the software of how you can customize this mouse. So I plugged in that unifying receiver and the mouse started working right away. It's really smooth here on my screen. Now, I should mention that this mouse is a 1000 DPI mouse. It's designed for productivity, not really for gaming. It will work with gaming, but it's definitely designed for productivity. And I've loved it for the last couple of years, the one I've been using. So over on the Logitech website, just do a quick search for Logitech options and you can download their free software to customize the mouse. And once you've got that installed, it's going to look something like this. You can go ahead and just select your mouse. It should show up here. I happen to have a keyboard as well. So the M720 Triathlon mouse is right there. Just go ahead and left click on that. And in here, you'll be able to customize all the buttons for your mouse. So for example, the scroll wheel here, if I want to customize the middle button, I just click on that and a menu of options will come up. So I can go back, have it the gesture button, switch applications, or more. And there's a whole list of them, including calculator, double click, email, all sorts of stuff. Home is all in there. So you can customize all the buttons as you like, even the side buttons I was talking about there, that secret button down at the bottom. If we left click on that, maybe we want it to be a calculator. When we push that, we can easily do that. And let's try and push that here. And the calculator pops up there right away. So it's really easy to make those changes. You can also swap the main button to the left and right hand side over here. There's a point and scroll option here, so you can adjust the pointer speed, smooth scrolling, as well as the scroll wheel direction. And it's also compatible with Logitech Flow. We're not going to get into that, but it is compatible with Logitech Flow as well. It's a great little mouse. I've been really happy with it the last couple of years, and that's why I bought another one. So I hope this unboxing and overview of the Logitech M720 mouse gave you value. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.